Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer, where we uncover classic motorcycle deals across the United States. Let's dive into today's vintage finds. Number 1. 1979 Triumph Bonneville 750, $5,000, Huntsville, Ohio. The 1979 Triumph Bonneville 750 represents one of the last chapters of classic British parallel twin production before major industry changes reshaped the market. Finished in black with chrome accents and a quilted seat, this example delivers the timeless Bonneville look American riders have admired for decades. With just 8,000 miles, it remains relatively low mileage for a late 70s British twin. Powered by a 744cc air-cooled parallel twin, the Bonneville offers strong mid-range torque and that unmistakable British exhaust tone. At $5,000 in Huntsville, Ohio, this bike presents an affordable entry into vintage Triumph ownership, appealing to riders who want authentic character, simple mechanics, and enduring classic styling. Number 2. 1975 Honda CB360, $4,650, Xenia, Ohio. The 1975 Honda CB360 reflects the era when Japanese engineering earned its reputation for reliability and everyday usability. Finished in original blue paint with factory seat and gauges intact, this example shows 8,215 miles and retains many original yellow inspection marks, highlighting its preserved condition. Its 356cc parallel twin starts easily and runs well, according to the seller, and comes with a clear title. While not described as perfect, it remains a solid, honest classic. Priced at $4,650 in Xenia, Ohio, this CB360 offers strong value for collectors seeking originality and a lightweight vintage rider with dependable performance. Number 3. 1964 Jawa 350 Type 354, $5,000, Frankfort, Illinois. This fully restored 1964 Jawa 350 Type 354 stands out with its period-correct turquoise finish and bright chrome accents. Originally built in Czechoslovakia, the 350 Type 354 is known for its distinctive two-stroke twin engine and unique European styling rarely seen on American roads. The seller notes a complete restoration, including paint, chrome, engine, and mechanical components. It reportedly starts easily, runs strong, and shifts smoothly through all gears. Offered at $5,000 in Frankfort, Illinois with a clean title, this Jawa represents a rare opportunity for collectors seeking something distinctive beyond mainstream British or Japanese classics. Number 4. 1978 Kawasaki KZ1300, $7,500, Anderson, Indiana. The 1978 Kawasaki KZ1300 remains one of the most ambitious motorcycles of its era, powered by a massive 1,286cc inline six-cylinder engine. This blue example shows 51,000 miles and has been long owned by an enthusiast who maintained it regularly. Equipped with a 6-into-1 DG header and straight bars, it offers an aggressive presence and a signature six-cylinder sound. Recent maintenance includes a newer battery, with fresh oil and plugs planned. At $7,500 in Anderson, Indiana, this KZ1300 stands as a collectible engineering milestone for riders who appreciate vintage performance and mechanical uniqueness. Number 5. 1972 Harley-Davidson FLH, $9,000, Hodgenville, Kentucky. The 1972 Harley-Davidson FLH captures classic American touring heritage from the shovelhead era. This numbers-matching example runs well and includes the original tour pack and front fairing, even though it has been repainted. The seller notes the front brake caliper may need attention, though both braking systems function. Having seen limited use in recent years, it appears largely preserved rather than heavily ridden. Priced at $9,000 in Hodgenville, Kentucky, this FLH offers strong appeal for collectors seeking a solid foundation in the classic Harley touring market. Number 6. 1982 Suzuki 650G, $1,950, Royal Oak, Michigan. The 1982 Suzuki 650G delivers classic early 80s Japanese reliability in a practical standard package. Showing 11,000 miles and described as pristine and fully functional, this example includes a trunk, tank bag, panniers, and spare parts, making it a well-equipped vintage rider. The seller states it runs and rides great with a clean title in hand. Powered by a smooth inline-4 engine, the 650G is known for dependable performance and comfortable road manners. At just $1,950 in Royal Oak, Michigan, it represents one of the most affordable and usable classic options in today's market, ideal for riders seeking value and everyday rideability. Number 7. 1975 Norton Commando, $8,500, Three Lakes, Wisconsin. This 1975 Norton Commando 850 in John Player livery showcases iconic British performance styling. The engine reportedly starts easily and settles into a healthy idle, with the 4-speed gearbox shifting cleanly. The bike rides, handles, and stops as intended, and the odometer reads 10,043 miles, though unverified. While largely original and free of major cosmetic damage, a few issues are noted: a missing head/pilot switch, non-blinking turn signals, slight fork oil seepage, and a non-working tachometer. Priced at $8,500 in Three Lakes, Wisconsin, with a clean title, this Commando offers strong collector appeal with manageable mechanical needs. Number 8. 1975 Yamaha RD125B, $2,500, Novi, Michigan. The 1975 Yamaha RD125B is a lightweight two-stroke classic known for its quick revving character. Finished in red and described as a one-owner bike, this example reportedly runs and rides great, with a title in hand. Its small displacement two-stroke engine delivers lively performance that defined many mid-70s entry-level sport bikes. At $2,500 in Novi, Michigan, this RD125B offers an affordable entry into vintage two-stroke ownership with appealing single-owner history. Number 9. 1965 BSA Thunderbolt 650, $3,500, Marshall, Michigan. The 1965 BSA Thunderbolt 650R reflects mid-1960s British twin performance with its 650cc single-carb 4-stroke engine. This numbers-matching example features a tachometer and remains kickstart only, preserving its authentic riding experience. The seller notes a slight oil leak at the primary cover, along with some scratches and scuffs. Equipped with a new battery and good tires, it reportedly runs and rides great. At $3,500 in Marshall, Michigan, this Thunderbolt presents solid value for collectors seeking a classic British twin with matching numbers. Number 10. 1970 Kawasaki F3 175cc. $6,800, Johnson City, Tennessee. This 1970 Kawasaki F3 175cc two-stroke shows just 1,512 original miles and retains its original New Jersey title. The bike underwent a thorough cosmetic refresh, including frame and panel repainting and polished hardware, while maintaining original components. Featuring dual sprockets, a 5-speed gearbox, and both electric and kickstart, it delivers the distinctive sound and feel of a classic two-stroke. Priced at $6,800 in Johnson City, Tennessee, this low-mileage F3 stands out as a rare and well-preserved example. Number 11. 1980 Vespa PX125 Custom, $7,500, Clemson, South Carolina. The 1980 Vespa PX125 Custom blends vintage Italian scooter design with personalized styling. Finished in black, this example comes from a seller with more than 2 decades of experience collecting and restoring Vespas for touring operations in Southeast Asia. The PX125 platform is known for its durable 2-stroke engine and classic steel construction. Offered at $7,500 in Clemson, South Carolina, this custom Vespa targets collectors seeking a distinctive vintage scooter with international touring background and curated presentation. Number 12. 1980 Moto Guzzi V50 Brat, $3,800, League City, Texas. This 1980 Moto Guzzi V50 Brat blends Italian V-twin character with purposeful custom styling. Finished in red with a patinaed tank under clear coat, this example has seen an extensive mechanical refresh, including a top-end rebuild just 333 miles ago. The engine, gearbox, and swing arm were vapor blasted, while brakes and carburetors have been rebuilt for dependable performance. Additional upgrades include new fork seals, rear shocks, Shinko E270 tires, lithium battery, LED lighting, GPS speedometer, and a custom upholstered seat. With a clear Texas title and strong running condition, this V50 offers a distinctive lightweight Guzzi platform at $3,800 in League City, Texas, appealing to riders who appreciate European character with modern touches. Number 13. 1982 Suzuki GS650 Cafe Bobber, $2,400, White Bluff, Tennessee. The 1982 Suzuki GS650 has been transformed into a clean cafe bobber build while retaining its solid inline-4 foundation. Showing 9,800 original miles, this bike is described as being in perfect running order, with rebuilt and adjusted carburetors, valve adjustment completed, and a new clutch installed. It features new cables, brakes, seat, lights, paint, and a 4-into-1 exhaust system for a more aggressive tone. With a clean title and reportedly needing nothing mechanically, this GS650 offers strong value at $2,400 in White Bluff, Tennessee, ideal for riders seeking a turnkey custom classic with reliable Japanese engineering. Number 14. 1966 Harley-Davidson M50S, $2,400, Nashville, Tennessee. The 1966 Harley-Davidson M50S stands as one of the smallest motorcycles ever produced by Harley-Davidson. Built for a single year, the 50cc S model features a sport-style gas tank and seat, making it a rare and collectible lightweight in the brand's history. The seller reports 100 psi compression, good spark, renewed crank seal, new cables, and fresh Michelin tires with tubes. It starts and rides, though it needs a speedometer cable and sheath, and the original seat requires recovering. Priced at $2,400 in Nashville, Tennessee, this M50S represents a unique opportunity for collectors seeking a rare small displacement Harley with historical significance. Number 15. 1974 Honda CB360T, $1,000, New Waverly, Texas. The 1974 Honda CB360T offers a project opportunity for vintage Honda enthusiasts. Showing 13,420 miles and finished in red, this bike remains fairly original, but features pod filters in place of the factory airbox and a non-original 2-into-1 exhaust system. One side cover emblem is also missing. Currently not running, it will start with starting fluid and will require mechanical attention to return to regular riding condition. The seller includes a Texas title and signed DMV paperwork. At just $1,000 in New Waverly, Texas, this CB360T presents an affordable restoration candidate with solid potential for revival. That wraps up today's vintage lineup. Like and subscribe to Moto Market Explorer, and stay tuned for more classic motorcycle finds across the USA.